when we move on to the next question, so what do we realize here is that with reference to governor generals who introduced press regulations in India, the the particular following we need to consider the following pairs, that which of the following pairs are generally correct here. Okay, so here when we talk Censorship Press Act of 1835, Vernacular Press Act, and then there is going to be the Indian Press Act of 1910. Okay, so what can we say? By 1910, if you remember the Morley-Minto reforms of 1909, you can see that Minto was there in 1910 also and here. So you can correct this. Now in 1878, Lord Ripon. Okay, Lord Ripon was from 1880 to 1884. Okay, so that is why in 1878 there was who? There was not Ripon, there was Lord Lytton. Okay, Lytton. Arms Act, you can correlate with that. So the third one is incorrect. Alright, third one is incorrect. Then Press Act 1835, yes, Lord Metcalfe. He was known as the liberator of press. Okay, then Censorship Act of 1799, if you can recall, subsidiary alliance, he came in 1798 and in 1799 he had fought the Tipu Sultan. Okay, and he had overtaken the Mysore. So from that you can correlate. So this is correct and fourth is correct. The third one is incorrect. So how many are correct? That is 3 are correct. So the answer here is going to be C. Alright, then when we move to